At ganito sila be bumili ng manok. As in, tingnan mo oh, buhay pa yung manok, hinawakan lang yung paa, at sa bahay, sila na mismo ang magkakatay.
And also, this cattle market is just for guys. Yeah, because I've seen no women. Bibilihin nating baka is 120,000.
The Filipino girls are very smooth, nice, friendly. They are so friendly.
Filipino girls?
Uh-huh.
all,
They're
of, all
friendly.
of the Filipinos are nice. Not just the girls.
I don't know.
You only talk to girls. Okay.
And they're so
He's a guy,
friendly.
he's very friendly.
Yeah, I will see.
This guy does not want to be. Oh my god. This guy does not want to be eaten. Oh my god.
So hi, it's me Francis Candy and welcome back to my channel. Dito tayo ngayon sa aeroplano. And for today's video be, it's my first time to fly in Ethiopia. So saan ba yung Ethiopia? So Ethiopia be is sa Africa. So it's gonna be my first time. So I'm so excited. Medyo pagod ako, puyat. Pagod talaga. At nag-prepare talaga ako be. Medyo mahal tong trip na to ha. Kasi yung visa pa lang ng papunta dito, nagbayad na ako ng parang 9,000 pesos. Visa pa lang, no? Ay, dito ba yun? 6,000. Parang 6,000 na, 68 lang ata. The double, Francis on editing, pakilagay magkano binayaran ko. Tapos, prior to flying, syempre requirement dito ba sa trip na to sa Africa that meron kang yellow fever vaccine. So prior to that, recommended na magkaroon din ng iba pang vaccine ng polio, meningitis, anti-tetanus, hepatitis, at saka yung yellow fever. So ang dami be, lahat yun be, ang mahal. So ayan guys, we're going to take the vaccines na kinakabahan ako dahil 5 vaccine yung tatanggapin natin today. Polio, meningitis, hepatitis A, yellow fever, and what else?
Polio, hepatitis A, diphtheria tetanus.
Yeah, that one. Hindi ko naintindihan, pero yun na yun.
You need to go to the hospital to see if you need vaccination to rabies. Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. How long is the validity of the...
Okay. The hepatitis A, after you do the second one, it's for life. The meningitis is for 5 years.
Okay. And this one is, I'll get the next one after 6 months.
6 months to 1 year.
Okay, 1 year.
Okay. Boost and meningitis is for 5 years.
Uh-huh.
Boost diphtheria tetanus and pertussis is for 10 years. And polio is for life.
Okay.
Okay. And the yellow fever is also for life. Okay. So it's really important to save it.
Okay.
The vaccination card.
I immediately felt warm. Just the idea of the amount of like, okay, 5 vaccines. Okay.
This is yours. Okay, you need to then save it.
Okay.
This is a prescription for anti-malaria. Okay, you need to buy it in the pharmacy.
Sorry, this
In
is
prescription for anti-malaria.
Okay.
You need to buy it in any pharmacy.
Okay. In any pharmacy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then again, you take one before you go with the heavy meal. Okay. One before you go.
It is like
before,
25.
Yeah,
Before
every
and
day.
after.
Yeah, before and after, and every day until you end the.
Until it's finished. Relax.
Yeah. Okay.
First one.
Yeah.
Five.
Yeah.
Fica a torta da chutada.
Okay. Yeah. What was that? That was for?
This the last one, hepatitis.
Okay.
Hepatitis A.
Maybe 3 here. Because I use this a lot.
Okay.
Really quick.
The last one.
Okay.
Dahil dun sa vaccine, related to that, nilagnat ako kagabi. So, dapat pala mag-take ka ng vaccine 10 days prior sa flight mo. Eh, ako 5 days lang. Diyos ko. Tapos, yung prescribe pa sa akin gamot, hindi ko agad binili. So, binigyan ako prescribe ako ng gamot na parang for 25 days. So, kagabi ko lang siya binili. Mga 2 days akong hindi 2 days lang ba? Ano na, Francis? Para 4 days ako hindi uminom. So sabi ko, ilalaban ko na lang to. Anyway, this is gonna be a 4-hour flight. I'm excited. It's my first time on this trip. I'm not gonna be alone. I'll be traveling with a YouTuber from USA. He's my friend. His name is Phil. And nakasama ko na siya doon sa Azerbaijan. So, abangan yung mga vlog namin together. It's gonna be very exciting. Dahil siya yung nagplano, hindi ako. Ako yung parang kasama ka. Okay. Oh, so it's exciting talaga tabi. Pinagplanuhan. Hindi to yung Francis Live. At saka gagastusan man to be ang mahal ng tour guide namin. Ang mahal lang gagastusin namin. Pero sabi ko, okay, go.
Khadi Jilani Kindul Jamnani Se Khadi Jilani Kindul Jamnani.
Ang Ethiopia ay isang bansa dito sa East Africa na kilala bilang pinakamatandang sibilisasyon sa buong mundo. Ang tagline nga nila #Land of Origins. Isa ito sa iilang bansa sa Africa na hindi nasakop ng mga Europeans kaya na-preserve talaga ang kanilang culture at identity. Meron sila ditong mahigit na 80 na ethnic group at ang official language nila ay tinatawag na Amharic. Isa sila sa may pinakamatandang kaharian dito sa Africa at itinuturing na duyan ng sangkatauhan o cradle of humankind dahil dito nahukay ang ilan sa mga pinakamatandang labi ng unang tao sa mundo na may pangalang Lucy. Pero on this video, samahan nyo ako dahil nagpunta talaga ako dito sa Ethiopia para i-celebrate ang kanilang Pasko na ginaganap tuwing January 7. Nako be, napakaraming bagay ang sobrang interesting dito sa Ethiopia. Kaya naman, samahan nyo ako sa aking adventure. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, at kung ready ka na, ready na ako. Ready na nga ba? O siya, sige be, tara, simulan na natin to.
Jilani Kindul Jamnani Milan Mamawi sa Makhadir Khadiriye Milan Mamawi sa Makhadir Khadiriye.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We have just landed at Addis Ethiopia Bole International Airport. The local time is quarter past 2 p.m.
Ready na ang lahat. Just bumaba. Pero hinto pa lang namin. So guys,
We're now here in Addis Ababa, and here's my friend here.
What's up, guys?
Here's Phil.
Bill from Phil's Guide to the World. This is his first time in Africa.
Yes.
My fourth time in Ethiopia.
So he'll guide us to the world.
I will guide you to the world.
Okay. And now we're here in Ethiopia, guys. Touchdown. We landed now here. Wow. Look at their city. It's so beautiful. Ang ganda ng labas ng airport nila. So, oops! Thank you. Tingnan natin na hagi lang Amerikano. Let's see. Daisy Hotel.
Bullet.
Yeah.
Next to Best Western. Very close, right next to each other. 1 minute apart.
Ah,
Daisy, Best Western. So we end at Best Western. How much to Best Western?
1,500.
1,500? No, 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah. Oh, I
Okay.
could have done better. I could have done better. I knew it.
I'll just sit by the driver. It's okay?
Yes.
Do you have like Greek blood? Because you keep saying Opa.
I like saying Opa. I don't know why. I don't know why I say it, man. I just say Opa. You don't have to do it every time.
Uh-huh.
Just put it to your iPhone and then partner.
Uh-huh.
Sekhadi Jilani, Jilani, Kendul Jamnani. Sekhadi Jilani, Jilani, Kendul Jamnani. Sekhadi Jilani, Jilani, Kendul Jamnani.
Alright. In my video, I'll speak Taglish still. Yeah. I'll translate it to you when you need, when I feel like you need it to understand. Or yeah, yeah.
Is it like half Tagalog, half English?
Not necessarily, but there's because we cannot really speak Tagalog like absolutely.
Right.
Like yeah, no, so hard.
When I was in the Philippines, and by the way, I've been to the Philippines many, many times, probably 7 or 8 times.
Wow.
One of my top 10 favorite countries, and I've been to.
And he will go there.
Oh, no.
And he will go there.
I'm going to be meeting you in March or April this year. I'm going to be ending this trip in March or April, and I'm going to be meeting Francis in the Philippines. And we're going to be making another video together, hopefully. If
Hopefully.
he's not sick of me by then.
So guys, andito na tayo sa hotel. Naka-check-in na ako. Ito yung tsura ng hotel. Ayan siya. So si Phil, nasa ibang sa ibang hotel siya nag-check-in dahil mayaman siya. Si Phil doon siya sa ano. Sabi ko, Phil, that's too expensive for me. Oh wow. Okay pala yung room. So, oh, not bad. Very well. I'm okay with this one. yun lang. Okay yung room pero merong amoy. Ganun, wait. Kapag ko muna yung bag ha, pero ang lakas ng amoy, parang may umar na. Where's the light? Yun na yun. Gusto ko naman iwanag. Let there be light. Ayun. Let there be light. Ayun na yun. Okay, todo na pala yun. Medyo madilim dito. Okay. So, ito yung ating hotel. Ito yung ating banyo. Malinis naman siya tingnan. May amoy lang. I think dito yan sa baho. Ayan, takpan natin ang mga butas. Ayan, dito ang baho eh. So, okay na itong ating room. May AC ba to? Bagay malamig naman dito pag gabi. Hindi na kailangan ng AC. So, ayan guys, finally, we arrived safely here in Addis Ababa. Wait lang, ihi muna ako. So, Ben, dito na tayo ngayon sa aking hotel. Medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko na naman, nilalagnat ata ako. Or hindi ko alam. Tingnan nyo nangyari sa maleta ko. Yun lang. Actually, akala ko merong mawawala or anything. Anyway, magkapahinga lang ako ngayon, be. Kasi pagod talaga ako. Minuha ko ng gamot ko. In 2 hours, lalabas ba kami, magkikita kami para kausapin yung tour guide namin dito.
Very simple. Take a piece like that, and you just gotta grab it. No. It's your turn. Give it a shot. It's easy. And then there's sauce? Yeah, I've never seen.
Very spicy. Be
Oh,
careful,
what?
okay? That's too
You
much.
want to give it to me? He doesn't like spicy.
That's too much.
It's good, but very spicy. Is this vegan meat?
Yeah.
No, this is not.
Oh yeah, it's vegan.
Yeah. It's really good.
100% vegan.
Yeah.
What's a vegan
This is
restaurant?
fair. It's really good actually. Yeah.
Hi there, it's me Francis Candide. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Francis Be and we are here in Ethiopia with my friend
Phil. Hey guys, Phil from Phil's Guide to the World. You can also call me Filipino.
Yes. So make sure you subscribe to his channel because he's gonna be visiting me soon in the Philippines.
Yes, and when I visit you in the Philippines, we're gonna have a special end to our challenge from today. What's our challenge from today?
So for today's video, Be, we have a challenge where we will try to discover and learn what makes the Christmas here in Ethiopia special.
And so different from the rest of the
from
world.
the rest of the world. The English is Englishing.
Well, here's what the biggest difference is that it's on January 6th and 7th. And the second one I know, and the rest I'm gonna figure out with you, is that
think-
there's no Santa.
Oh, there's no
There's no
gift giving.
There's no gift giving. So no gift giving, no Santa, and January 6th, that's all we know.
So wow, it's different. And it's also my first time here in this part of Africa.
So very exciting. You had your first Ethiopian food last night,
Yes, and it was really good.
was it?
Yeah, the vegetarian meat.
Yeah, it
it's
was
really
so
good.
good.
And I'm excited to experience and try more of their food, especially today.
We're gonna have a special Christmas meal. I'm not gonna give it away, but it's unlike anything you've ever seen in the world.
So I just hope we can make it together at the end of this video. You have a part of this video because you're gonna decide who's gonna win on this challenge. Is it Francis or Phil? So comment down hashtag Team Francis and Team Phil.
One more time. The challenge is, okay, who's gonna come up with the biggest difference between Ethiopian Christmas and the Christmas that most people celebrate in the rest of the world?
Yeah.
That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. All right.
All right, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from January 6th.
So now we're here at the Carbe with our tour guide. This is our tour guide, Andy. He's the best tour guide here in Ethiopia. So if you want to explore Ethiopia, you can message him on Instagram. His Instagram is...
Andy Tours Ethiopia.
Yes. I'll put it on the description as well and I'll comment it on this video. And ngayon, Be, now we're going to the market because we're going to buy some traditional outfits so we can blend in because you know my outfit earlier I look like a Chinese mafia. I'm like, oh, this is Chinese with illegal visa. Just kidding.
Man, it looks good, but it doesn't fit in.
So, like I always say, you have to blend in. All right. So, we'll try to blend in, not stand out for today. So this is what it looks like So this is what it looks like outside naman. There's a lot of construction, and I think that's a sign of good economy because it's developing, diba? Right? So, Andy told us if you were here in Ethiopia 10 years ago, it's really different now. For us na hindi pa nakakarating, it's our first time. It's great to experience and see it actually.
You said you wanted to visit the Philippines?
Yes.
Why?
I heard a lot good stuff about the Filipino people. I heard that they are very friendly people and we Ethiopians are very friendly, you know that.
I said the same thing.
That's a match. And for me, the people are the most important thing when I do the visit, when I do the travel. I want to interact with the local people. I want to have memories. So I want to explore one of the most friendliest, the friendliest people in the world.
Well,
that's the Philippines.
Now you have a Filipino tour guide next time you go.
I know.
Watch out, there's a horse on the road.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
That's okay.
Oh my goodness.
Why if there's a wild horse?
No one was riding the horse. It was just a wild horse. And this is not the countryside, guys. This is Addis Ababa downtown.
So ngayon, Bea, dito na tayo ngayon sa may Shiromeda Mall. Ito yung pinaka-shopping center nila dito. At today, bibili tayo ng traditional outfit na susutin natin para sa kanilang special celebration ng Christmas tonight. Hindi ito yung pang turistang palengke, no? Ito yung parang pang local. Ang weird dito sa kanila, Be, di ba? Mainit. Pero ang temperature niyan talaga is parang nung umaga gumising ako 6 degrees. Pero dahil dito talaga is mainit, okay lang yung weather. Actually, pinagpapawisan na ako. Parang mga 17, 18, and during summer siguro, sobrang init dito. Kaya okay na pumunta tayo dito ng malamig. So kung pumunta kayo dito, make sure mga December or January or February para hindi kayo mainitan. So ayun guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa market. And nakikipag-usap kami sa mga locals sa natutunan naming salita nila. Okay, may magpa-park.
Maybe better here on the
Yeah. Andaman walik.
Say good morning.
Yeah, good.
Andaman aderk.
Andaman
Aderk.
Aderk. Aderk.
Kandit aderk.
Okay.
Andaman wal good afternoon.
So
What's thank you again? Amasal.
Good afternoon. Andaman wal.
Andaman walik.
Andaman wal.
Andaman walik.
Good afternoon.
Andaman aderk.
Andaman
Aderk.
Diba? Learning agad talaga, Be. Salam na.
How are you?
Dito kasi, Be, iba yung language na sasabihin mo. Iba yung salita. Pag kausap mo yung babae, iba rin pag lalaki. So ito guys, ito yung palengke nila. And ito yung market nila, Be. Parang sabihin natin, parang Green Hills nila.
So this is the even for Kit Kat. Okay. And you're gonna
So why is it most clothes here are white?
The white symbolizes the purity. And, the Orthodox Christians, you know, they dress white, especially going to the church. You know?
So tonight, that's why we're gonna wear as well.
Yes. White with embellishment. Yeah.
Actually guys, what I like about them talaga, para ako sa Pilipinas lang, they're so friendly. Nakikipag-usap ko sa kanila.
She's showing for Francis.
Oh, I like blue.
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, and would we wear that just by itself or with pants?
You can do it with pants, but if you really don't want to have the pants, it's okay. The top part.
So we wear this with no pants?
No.
Okay.
It's mandatory.
It's mandatory to wear pants? Okay, good.
How is it, guys? I think it looks good.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you gotta try it first. So this is not like luster, you know, kind of fix it.
So, I'll just wear it on top of my head.
Yeah.
Okay. So, susukatin natin guys itong ating damit dito in fairness. Salam now. Dahananagin. Oh, so it's not stretching. Okay.
This one looks really nice. Wow. Hey! What's up, my man?
Yes.
Dude, behind the
Salam
scenes.
now.
Behind the scenes on the Francis vlog. Behind the scenes. Go
I
ahead.
think it looks good, right? Right? Can you take picture so I can just see myself? Can you take picture of me so I can see myself? Yeah. Yeah, picture so I can see myself. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Okay. How much is this?
1,500.
Not 1,000? 1,200?
No. Like
1,300? I have to diet. I think I need to do the fasting. Huh? No, it's fine.
Fasting because he's overweight.
Okay guys, so we got the deal at 1,300.
Thank you. I'm a Saganala. Thank you so much. All right, bye-bye.
Bye!
3,500.
Yeah.
That sounds too much.
Andy, where are they putting this one?
This is a very traditional thing.
That's good. Very good.
It smells good. This one, 200 more. So,
Okay, 2,200. I had 600.
So it symbolizes a good spirit, a friend.
okay. Charan, for good luck. Yes. So, nakabili na kami guys. Meron pa sila sa amin pinapakitang iba na sinusuot nila pero hindi naman required bilhin. Ako okay na ako sa outfit natin para at least belong tayo sa kanila tonight. 'Di ba? Mahilig sila sa gaytong mga ano parang mosquito net. Sorry.
خلاص جزندان خالي جزان
Hello.
Hello. Good morning. Salam. Oh, salam. I know salam, but good morning was.
You just want to say good morning but you have to still think are you a girl?
Salam nu.
Salam now.
Salam now.
Salam now.
Salam now.
Tadia salam now.
Okay.
So nag-withdraw ko dito sa kanila be ng pera. And dito sa kanila be, yung pinakamalaking pera na nila kung sa atin ay 1,000, sa kanila dito is 200. Na ang value sa atin is 70 pesos. More or less mga ganun. So parang pag hindi ka makaka-withdraw dito ng 5,000 pesos, ang maximum lang is parang 10,000 a day, which is like mga nasa 3,300. Yeah, I did. So ngayon guys, naglalakad tayo dito sa ang area to is tawag na Piazza. What do you call this area again? Piazza.
Far off the Italians.
But there's a lot of Italian influence. There's a lot of Italian influence still.
Not a lot, to be honest. Some architectural influences on the building.
Architecture.
So they.
How about in language?
Of course, there are some words we share, like ciao, like calcio, something like that. There are some Italian words.
I see. The thing with Ethiopia, they are the only country in Africa na hindi nasakop ng any other countries in Europe. Like Italy tried to conquer them, pero they fought hard. So natalo yung Italians.
It's also the first black country to defeat the colonizer.
Wow.
So that's why Ethiopia is a symbol of Pan-Africanism, because this country is the reason for the independence of so many African nations.
Wow.
After colonizations, because it was.
Did you help the other countries?
Yes, of course, we help, in some technical ways. May not be in a very direct way. But we did, of course. The Pan-Africanism concept is totally related with their independence process. That's why many African nations, also some nations in the world, they adopted the color of our flag.
Yeah.
More than 10 countries, because they believe that's the sign
They
of
pay
independence.
homage. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, tatay muna tayo dito sa kanila, be.
Watch out.
They don't stop
They don't stop. Even I don't stop.
Okay.
Woo! Yeah, pare. Just pare, kuya.
Pare, welcome.
Welcome, bro. Thank you so much. This is Afi, Ashu.
It's you.
Francis.
Francis. Nice meeting you, Francis. This is Pare. from Filipino,
Yeah.
and I'm Ashu from Ethiopia.
Yeah, and he
And,
worked a lot with a lot of Filipino before.
Yes,
That's why
I know Filipinos.
Yeah.
So I like to say hi to all
Yeah.
Filipinos. And yeah, all Filipinos. Make sure you have to come to Ethiopia
Yes.
next time.
I'm gonna show the beauty of Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Like Addis Ababa, new flower.
Yeah.
Beautiful flower.
Beautiful flower.
Yes.
Maganda flower.
Maganda. You have many Filipina girlfriend, no?
Only 4.
Wow.
Looking. No, not now.
Okay,
Looking for Filipino.
Okay.
You got it?
I like your outfit. You look good. Stylish. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good airline.
Okay, let's have a selfie here.
A selfie?
Yeah.
Like a video or a selfie?
A selfie picture.
But what's in the background?
Adwa Museum.
Oh, that's good.
Hey.
I
Perfect.
got a good photo of you guys in front of.
Oh, okay.
Here, just say hi.
Hi.
Salam na.
Sige.
Sige. What else?
Mahal kita.
Okay.
What's one kita meaning?
I love you too. I love you.
Ah,
I love you. I love you too.
Are you teaching him Tagalog?
No, he learned a lot because he worked in Dubai.
Oh!
and I know a few words.
And
You know, the Filipino girls are very smooth, nice, friendly. They are so friendly.
Filipino girls?
Uh-huh.
They're
All
friendly.
of the Filipinos are nice. Not just the girls.
I don't know.
You only talk to girls. Okay.
And
Yeah,
they're so
he's a
friendly.
guy, he's very friendly.
Yeah, I will see. I just met him today,
Ah.
but he's going to have a friendly people here. Welcome.
And also, like Ethiopians are very friendly as well.
Yeah,
very
because,
friendly.
Yeah, even in Dubai and
Ah.
other places, we come closer with Filipinos, and I try sometimes their food. They do rice nicely, and also other cooking, and also I like from the Filipinos. They are bit modern. They like to try modern things and stylish with dress code, hairstyle, design, music, Manny Pacquiao.
He really knows a lot about Philippines.
Yeah, because I have a friend Pedro, so many friends. Some of them are on same level with me. As
Hi,
manager.
Pedro.
The management. Some others were working under me, and we were so nicely. I mean, they're very good for cooperation, working together, and also understanding when you are talking to them. What I like from the Filipino is they use their ears when you speak with them. They really want to understand.
To comprehend,
you.
yeah.
And then they like to act like that.
I hope me too. I'm like,
And so these 4 are looking for the future.
Okay.
Not so far.
So he's open right now. Open. You can now submit your application.
Okay. Application.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Pag ganito magpapasko sa kanila be, 43 days silang nagpa-fasting. Ibig sabihin, 43 days silang hindi kumakain ng karne, ng dairy, at ng itlog. At mostly lang kinakain lang nila ay mga gulay. At sa pagsapit naman ng kanilang Noche Buena, isang araw bago yung kanilang Pasko, nagpre-prepare talaga sila ng espesyal na pagkain. Eto be, kasama namin yung ilang representative ng isang community na kasama naming nag-ambagan para bumili ng baka na aming paghahatian para sa kanilang Pasko na tinatawag na Gana na ipinagdiriwang tuwing January 7. Oo be, ang kanilang Pasko ay tinatawag na Gana na pinagdiriwang ng January 7, hindi ng December 25. At dahil bukas nga ay tatapusin na nila ang kanilang pag-aayuno o pagpa-fasting ng 43 days. Eto na be, makikita nyo namang busy na ang mga tao sa kanilang pamamalengke. Eto ang nadaanan naming chicken market. At ganito sila be, bumili ng manok. As in, tignan mo buhay pa yung manok, hinawakan lang yung paa at sa bahay sila na mismo ang magkakatay. Yes be, oo, sa bahay na nila kinabukasan ng umaga kakatayin ang mga karneng kakainin nila. Merong kumakain ng manok, ng sheep, at syempre ng baka.
So, andito na tayo guys sa kanilang market. And dito tayo bibili ng kakatayin na baka. So, ang daming pera niyan, be. Kasi dito, unti lang yung pera nila eh. 200 lang.
How much money do we have here?
120,000.
120,000?
So, alam niyo ba gaano ka-special talaga to? Yung budget natin para dito sa bibilihin nating baka is 120,000 birr or $800 or higit mga 45,000 pesos. Wow. Alam mo yung iba yung sinag ng araw nila dito, be. Masakit sa balat, to be honest. Okay.
So I have to take care of very well. I have to see
So, andito na tayo, be, sa kanilang cattle market. And nakakaloka, the police officer spoke to our tour guide here. He said, what did the police said?
said if they lose anything, I will be responsible. So I
Okay.
should take care of you.
Okay. Oops. So, sobrang busy ngayon ang kanilang market for this celebration. And makikita nyo naman, there's a lot of livestock here. The cows, the sheep, the goat. The goat, I mean. What makes a good ox? Or how do you call it? Ox or you call it ox?
Inside.
Yeah. What makes a good ox? What do you like in
Black.
black?
Yes.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, good.
Okay, okay. What is the stick for?
To hit the animal.
Phil. It's dangerous.
Okay.
We stay here until
Okay.
the other.
Sure. So guys, napansin nyo lahat, sila dito merong pamalo. Pamalo nila yan sa mga hayop. Medyo harsh, no? Pero ganun dito sa kanila. Salam now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Arif. Oh my God. Woo! Nakakatakot yung sungay, guys. So, pumasok muna kami dito sa isang area para hintayin yung iba naming makakasama. Tapos, nakakatakot lang yung mga baka, be. I can smell the spiciness already. So, meron sila dito pinapatikim sa amin na pagkain, be. Ito, oh. So, beans siya na manghang. Wala tayo ng beans. Wala nang anghang. Ang nga. Spicy. Phil, you have to try this one. It's very sweet.
What is it?
Beans.
Sweet beans?
Not sweet.
Is it very? What is
It's very spicy. Yeah.
Okay.
Not much.
You didn't order this. They ordered.
Yeah.
Woo, baby.
Sobra, guys.
Very good. I love the slow motion. I'll show you.
So, ayan, Ben. Nagkipag-chikahan kami dito sa mga bata sa kanila.
Yanni? Yannick. Good name. No.
Now,
Yabi?
Abik?
Abi.
Abit?
This is my name is I forgot what they call white people. What do they call a white person in Ethiopia?
Like a white person. We can see that. They don't call it Farang.
My name, Francis.
What do they call?
So hindi maalala ni Phil ano yung tawag ng mga lokal dito sa mga puti. Ang tawag nila dito sa mga puti ay Ferenje. Kasi ang una, ang paniniwala, yung mga puti na yun talaga is French. Hindi maintindihan ng local. So naging Ferenchi, French. Or Foreigner, Forenchi, Ferenchi.
In fairness, yung mga bata dito may marunong. Pag nakipaglaro ka after, manghihingi ng pera. So, dito na ba yung buong grupo namin? And we're gonna buy the ox now. Okay. What happened? What happened?
Okay, come. Okay. So we follow the team.
Okay. So ito na guys, magsisimula na yung pagbili natin ng ox. Medyo dangerous lang kasi yung ibang ox is nanlalaban tulad nun nanunungay. So, kailangan lang tayo sumunod dun sa tour guide natin para hindi tayo maaksidente, no?
And there are some cows that are a little bit unruly.
Nakakaloka to, be. Yes. So, meron na tayong stick, be. Pamalo. Nakakahigal naman to, paakyat. I'm losing my breath talking and walking uphill. Uy.
We're waking up there.
Yeah. Look here, be. Actually, oh my God, ito na naman.
Oh my god. This is crazy. They're just like
Wild ox! I've never been to a place like this, be, maski sa Pilipinas. So this is the first. Oh. Guys, bading pa din ako at the end of the day.
Ahora ni llega bano.
amazing.
Yung tapak-tapakan dito ba puro tae na din.
Mangan.
Okay.
Mangan.
Uy.
The oxen go where they want.
Sabi ko sa'yo, you have to be alert. Binangga ako, be.
They're rounded up in these little pods.
Para ako nakikipagpatintero sa mga baka dito. Oh my God.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel pretty safe here, though, don't you? Yeah.
With a little bit of risk.
Not from the people, from the ox.
Just from the ox, yeah. Hindi naman to parang kabayo na sumisipa patras, no?
There he goes.
Puro tay-tay na yung mga paa namin dito. Alam mo yung iniisip ko, be? Ang iniisip ko dito yung buhay ko muna, no? Para hindi tayo matuhog dito ng mga baka. Oops! Grabe, nagkaka-stampede dito, be, pag meron dumadating. So yung mga dumadaan na yan, mga pababa na yan, ibig sabihin, nabili na yan sila.
Pulling the tail to move the oxen.
Nakakaloka. The usual price is 1,000 and it can go up to $2,000. Nung sinabi nila na dito, be, magbabaliyahan talaga, maggaganunan talaga. Totoo talaga, be. Aray, tusok ako. Okay, dadaan. Okay.
You're watching just to make sure the bag's not open.
Yes, yes.
Take a look.
Yeah.
From time to time, just look and see.
Okay. Sundan natin guys yung aming Woo! Nakita mo paano yung pagpalo ko? Walang laban.
Come this way. Mana anta naman bukro hindi.
Go ahead.
Ya gondar lu sudah nacho. Ay sigre lang.
Okay.
So tingin tayo ng Araki dito, be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano sigre lang. Asaysan. Ne asaysan.
So ito, be, bibili tayo dito ng kanilang Araki? It's like Araki. It's like vodka.
It's like Rocky.
It's like vodka.
Okay.
It's gonna be.
But this is
gonna be the most expensive liquor in the world in the future.
Okay.
Is it?
So, ito be, gawa lang to ng mga nanay nila dito.
And then one more. And then one more.
Join us here. Cheers. Do you have a word for cheers?
Yeah, Latination. We can say.
Latination.
All right, get in here.
Okay.
Get closer. All right. 1, 2, 3. Latination.
Lemon.
It's good. It's good. It's not that hard. It's a little strong. Are you okay?
It's fiery on the throat.
Oh, baby. Yeah, that's some strong stuff.
Do you have lemon? Wow. Oh yeah, I can taste like the licorice part of it. Oh wow. I'm good. The Araki was good. Okay, come. Yung stick lang sa akin, be, parang hindi pa malo, para pang majorette. Naalala ko ni pamangkin ko mahilig sa tungkod. Itong baka na ito, be, natuhog niya ako, ang sakit. Kailangan pala ito, alert na alert ka. Sa pamimili namin ng baka dito sa kanila, be, ganito yung aming setup. Meron kaming 6 na tao. Ako, si Phil, yung tour guide, si Ashu, yung nagtrabaho sa Dubai, at saka yung dalawa pa, si Teddy at saka si Freddy. O, di ba parang Jukes and Teddy lang, di ba? Pero yung dalawa kasing boss na si Teddy and Freddy, sila yung kakausap at makikipag-negotiate sa presyo. Kaya naman habang naghahanap sila ng target nila na baka, nakabuntot lang kami pero lumalayo din kami ng konti. Dahil pag nakikita nila na kasama nila kami, yung presyo nagiging triple. Lugar nila masyadong pataas, hinihingal ako. I feel like this cattle market is endless. Like kanina pa kami naglalakad paakyat and until now marami pa ring baka. I have a question. So, of course, not all of these ox will be sold today.
Yes.
Okay. So if they're not sold today, they will be up for next year.
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow again. Wow.
That's a good question.
Yeah, because I'm like, there's a lot, and yeah. Do they have like afternoon sale? Like, do they have like afternoon sale because it's already like okay, it's almost evening.
Yeah.
Do they have like do they sell it like
until the late afternoon
deal?
Yeah.
Yes, but still it doesn't matter. You know, like even for the oxen, for the cow, you should buy it today. You know, because the celebration will be this morning. But tomorrow morning you will see sheep market, goat market, chicken market.
Still on.
Yeah. So this will be like the market is not yet open. I can say it will be like more crowded now, more busy afterwards. You know?
Wow.
Yeah.
And so right now is this just like 50%?
I would say yes.
Wow.
50%.
Wow.
Like when it gets late noon, it will get really
more packed.
Yes.
Wow. And also, this cattle market is just for guys?
Yes.
Yeah, because I've seen no women. No women are like the stalls. The chicken for women. Is it because the ox are like really big?
Yes. This
Okay.
is like main job.
I see. Wow. So ayun guys, kaya pala walang walang babae dito. So ayun be, mapapansin nyo, walang kababae dito sa kanilang cattle market. Dahil, syempre be, ang lalaki ng mga baka nila dito. Hindi kaya ng mga, hindi ko naman nila lahat, pero baka yung mga babae nila hindi kaya ganun kontrolin yung mga ox nila dito. Diba? Okay ka lang be? Ox. So ngayon be, how much? What's that? How much? Okay, I have two. Okay. Is it samosa?
Sambusa.
Sambusa. Sambusa here. Okay. 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 Ooh. Okay, two. For you.
No. Thank you.
Why not?
No.
Okay. Do you want one?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks so much. I don't eat now, like in the middle of the market. That's why.
Okay, 100? Okay. Thank you. What's thank you again? Thank you.
I'm a Saganala.
Amasaganala.
Thank you.
So guys, kain muna tayo dito na kailang sambosa. Did you see that? The other one's trying to hump the other hawks. So yung wrapper nila, parang lumpia wrapper. Yung laman is parang beans. And it's good. Actually, bumili ako nito kasi minum ko ng alak. Map dito sa mura. I tried this sambosa.
Sambosa. Okay. How is it?
You want to try the other end?
I'll try a bite. Sure, why not?
It's really good. Especially we drink the vodka.
What did you buy here?
So this is, they call sambosa.
So it's like a samosa.
Yeah, but they have here inside is beans.
Beans.
Yeah.
No meat because
It's vegetarian.
Because you're fasting. So
Yeah.
it's just a straight vegan sambusa. All right.
It's good. Yeah. Like 50% was lost.
So sorry.
It's fine.
I'll buy you a new one.
No. It's okay.
Victor,
I'm just joking. How was it? How do you like it?
that's very good.
Right?
Yeah.
Because we had a drink, so I'm like, okay, I need
when
something.
you drink, you need some grease.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Fairness, masarap to guys.
Let's go. All right. I'll be in the back. Be careful.
المقاومة للتغيير، المقاومة للحرية، المقاومة للحقوق والعدالة.
So, dito be, kayo na pa kami dumating mga 11 I think. And now it's almost 2 p.m. And nandito pa kami sa proseso ng paghahanap ng tamang baka. Sabi kasi nila, may sabi siya, di ba? Tama yung point niya. I agree. Di ba? He's asking for a revolution.
Did you capture that?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. The hawk said enough.
Like, I want to go home, but I don't want to be eaten.
Kumakain din sila dito ng hilaw na laman ng baka. Pansin nyo lahat ng mga tao dito may pamalo. Hi. Salam now. Ang dami ba oh? Isa. Salam now. No, he was selling me the cow. So siyempre be, hindi naman lahat dito talaga nakakapag-English kaya yun, yung challenge din. Tsaka ang alam lang talaga nila pag ito itsura, China. So this must be a very special festive dinner for them be kasi the process is really hard. So ayun na guys, yung ating gaw.
Hold on. Wow. Look at this.
So Phil, the amazing story is here. His name is Aman Hassan. Obviously, Ethiopian Muslim.
So ito ba yung kakainin natin cow bukas? Nabili na siya sa halagang 120,000 birr. Yun yung pangalan ng currency nila. O nagkakahalaga ng $800. Ito siya sa pesos. Ah, diba? Nakakaloka. Ang mahal pala ng isang cow. Presyo ng iPhone.
Okay, 110. Go 10. I'm trying to bargain for you. 120.
Nagkakagulo na dito. Merry Christmas. Mula sa Ethiopia. Ganito sila mag-celebrate ng kanilang Pasko. So ngayon, pababa naman na kami dahil meron na kami nabili na baka. So, ang next challenge sa pagbaba is yung pag-akyat naman doon sa baka sa sasakyan. Merry Christmas! Oops! Tae! Oops! Ouch! Naipit na ako.
Para bide, para mangga jorgan.
Namazio.
You be careful.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, and then very good. Ini kalau bela
This guy does not want to be eaten.
Oh my God.
كيف عم تتعودوا فرنجو؟
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Come on, baby. He's crazy. Okay.
Oh my God. I was like, I'm gonna do my revenge now. So ito na be. Nakarating na kami dito, na-deliver na namin itong baka. And kailangan na siya itabi dahil bukas ng umaga, lulutuin siya. Kakatayin pala muna. Oh my God, oh! Not me. You have to call your baby. Hello. Moo. 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 Ah. Hello.
You're braver than most of us, guys.
Because I think it cannot fit here. So ayan na guys. It's the ox versus the world.
Sophia, Norris.
Aşağı عندهم لما دي ما تشعر سوغا.
That's why I should have asked before.
إيه سوتي دي عندك. شنو؟
Oh my god.
Ayan natin guys kanina paano nila gagawin. Why not a lasso? Like, ooh!
So what's the point there? Just let him calm down?
Ah.
Barga, zor baru. Give you challenge. Zor baru lin. Bari number 1.
Ilang oras na nga lang ang natitira para sa baka na ito, be. At bukas, kasabay ng pagsikat ng araw, ay ang pagkatay naman sa baka na ito para sa kanilang Pasko. Simula pa lang ito, be, ng proseso kung paano nila i-celebrate dito sa Ethiopia ang kanilang Pasko. Abangan ninyo sa susunod na episode ang mga eksenang ito.
So guys, let's try.
Right, let me
I can taste the spices.
Yeah.
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 And no more.
The spice is nice. What does it taste like?
So dito ba sa Ethiopia, part ng kanilang kultura ang pagkain nila ng raw meat, lalo na pag ganitong Pasko sa kanila. So ihiwain lang nila yan, tapos isasawsaw nila sa pampalasa, kakainin nila. Ganun lang, be. Can you cut me just a little?
Shall I give you?
Just a little, please.
You gonna try?
Yeah. A little.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little.
Okay. Hi there! It's me, Francis Candier!
And Kay Toretto.
Samahan nyo kami dahil magta-travel kami together ni Kay Toretto sa Pakistan.
And we need joiners. No more planning and less hassle kasi kami na ang bahala sa itinerary nyo.
Kami nang bahala sa'yo. We know how to navigate
and interact with the locals.
And we are here to make it fun, memorable, and smooth for you.
We designed this trip para sa mga gustong makasamang makatravel kami.
At ma-explore at ma-experience ang beauty and culture ng Pakistan. Pwedeng sumama ang group of friends, solo travelers, lovers, or partners.
Huy! Mag-message na dali at limited slots lang ang makakasama namin ni Francis Candier.
Tara na! Travel with me, Francis Candier!
And Kay Toretto, let's explore the magic of Pakistan.